Hello, today we shall take up an important PYQ on peroxy disulfuric acid. Now, what is that question? We shall take up a little later, but before that, it is very necessary to understand what is peroxy disulfuric acid. Peroxy disulfuric acid is also known as Marshall's acid, and it is obtained by electrolytic oxidation of concentrated sulfuric acid under high current density and using platinum electrodes. Platinum electrodes are inert electrodes, and a high current density is used where, in the absence of water, the bisulfate ion HSO4 negative, they lose their electrons. Two bisulfate ions in the concentrated solution lose their electrons and form peroxy disulfuric acid. Peroxy disulfuric acid, as we find here, is nothing but the combination of two sulfuric acids, and obtained structure wise, it is represented here. Two sulfur atoms with oxidation number 6 are bonded together with a peroxide linkage. This OO linkage is known as peroxide linkage, and when we calculate the oxidation number of these two sulfur atoms, it stands as +6. And here, each sulfur atom is surrounded by 4 oxygen atoms, and that is typical about peroxy disulfuric acid, which is also known as Marshall's acid. So that's enough. Now let us take up the question. The question is, which of the following electrolyte can be used to obtain H2S2O8, that is peroxy disulfuric acid? 4 options are given, and which will be the correct option? We have now understood that it is here option 3, that is the concentrated solution of sulfuric acid, is the correct answer. But anyway, we have to look at the other options also and find out why they are wrong. If you go through the first option, we find that the solution, it's a dilute solution of sodium sulfate. So here the concentrated acidic medium, desired acidic medium, is not provided here because we have used dilute sulfuric acid. You cannot get H2S2O8. Similarly, dilute solution of sulfuric acid evolves oxygen at the anode because of the discharge of the hydroxyl ion from water. Because it is dilute, it contains water. And of course, the third option, as we have understood earlier, is the correct answer. Peroxy disulfuric acid is produced by electrolysis of concentrated sulfuric acid. And fourth, that is acidified dilute solution of sodium sulfate. It is sodium sulfate. Sufficient sulfate ions are provided, but still it is not enough to form peroxy disulfuric acid, and dilute solution is there. As a result of this, oxygen is obtained over the anode. So that way we find here the option 3 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, thank you. The question has been very specific and gives us an idea about what is peroxy disulfuric acid, and we have learned the structure of peroxy disulfuric acid and also the other name, that is Marshall's acid. Okay, thank you very much. Please do subscribe to our channel.